How to do the kettlebell halo step by step. 1. Hold a kettlebell upside down by the horns, handle, with the bell pointing up. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, core tight, chest up. 2. Begin the circle. Bring the kettlebell to your chest, then move it up toward one shoulder. Slowly circle it around your head, like drawing a halo, keeping it close to your head without bumping. 3. Complete the halo. Pass the kettlebell behind your head, then around the other shoulder. Return it to the starting position at chest level. 4. Repeat both directions. Perform several reps clockwise, then switch and go counterclockwise. Muscles worked. Shoulders, deltoids, mobility and stability. Trapezius and upper back, control during rotation. Chest and arms, supporting the kettlebell. Core, abs and obliques, stabilizing your torso. Benefits: improves shoulder mobility and stability. Strengthens rotator cuff and upper back. Good warm-up before pressing or upper body workouts. Helps with posture by opening chest and mobilizing shoulders. Keep your core braced and neck neutral. Move slow and controlled. This is for mobility and stability, not speed. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.